In this video, I'm going to present some new words and phrases related to the environment, and we're going to learn how to use and how to form zero and first conditionals. Treat Mother Earth with care. It is very important to be eco-friendly, and here we have some new words and some new phrases like turn off, save, recycle, keep clean, cut down, protect, destroy, waste, throw away, and pollute. Turn off is a phrasal verb and it means to stop a piece of equipment from working, usually by pressing the power button. Like, when you are not in the room, turn off the light to save energy. While save means to avoid spending or wasting something. Recycle is the act of collecting paper or plastic or glass and placing them in appropriate bins so that they can be reused in another form. Keep clean is also a phrase. It means to keep something from being dirty or polluted. Cut down, another phrasal verb, it means to make like a tree or other plant fall to the ground by cutting it. Protect is a verb and it means to keep something from getting hurt or damaged. Then we have destroy. Destroy is to cause damage to something, to completely ruin it. Throw away is another phrasal verb. It means to get rid of something, to place it in a bin. And the last one is pollute. Pollute is a verb. We have also pollution as a noun, the version. Pollute means to make the earth, the air, and the water so dirty that it becomes unhealthy. Now, here I've used the words, new words and phrases in sentences, as you can see. I also forgot, I have to go back one more time. You should pause the video and I want you to write these words in alphabetical order down on your notebooks, okay? So pause the video and start with the first letter. For example, which one is the first? C, cut down in this case. Then you continue with the rest. Okay, thank you. Well done. Here we have some sentences about the turn off phrase. When you're not in the room, turn off the light to save energy. They give their dog a bath once a week to keep it clean. When you go cycling, you should always wear a helmet to protect your head, as we can see here in the picture. About the word waste, let's not waste all this paper. Let's recycle it. About destroy, the earthquake completely destroyed the area. Factories must stop polluting the environment immediately. Now that you know their meanings, you can write down sentences of your own. About conditionals. Zero conditional. In English, there are zero, first, second, and third conditionals. But in this video, we're going to talk only about zero and first conditionals. Zero conditional is used to talk about facts and general truth, things that are always true. For example, if it rains, the grass gets wet. That is always true. That is a general truth. That is a fact. The formula for this conditional is we need if plus verb in present simple plus another verb in present simple. As you can see here, we have two short sentences, if I may say. The one is called if clause or the action, and the other one is called the result or the main clause. But it's much easier if we say action and result at this stage. So, action is about the if clause. If it rains, if this action happens, this is the result. The grass gets wet. If we freeze water, it turns into ice. This is the result. As you can see, these sentences are separated by a comma. After the if clause, we should put a comma and continue with the main clause, with the result. If we freeze water, comma, it turns into ice. Present simple plus again present simple. So red plus white, pink. If you mix red and white, you get pink. The action, if you do this action, you will get this result. So if you, present simple, mix red and white, comma, you, we have another verb in present simple, you get pink. If you mix red and white, you get pink. While first conditional is about when you want to talk about something which will probably happen in the present or in the future. It's very likely to happen. It's not a general truth like it was in the first conditional with the zero conditional, but if the action is fulfilled, then we will have the result, very likely. If we have a shower instead of a bath, we won't waste water. So the formula is we need the if clause in present simple, like if we have a shower. The verb have is in present simple. If we have a shower instead of a bath, comma, as I told you earlier, we always put a comma after the if clause, and then we continue with the main clause and the result. We must have will or won't. It depends from the meaning of the sentence. In this case, we need won't, will not. You know that won't means will not. We won't waste water. If we have a shower instead of a bath, we won't waste water. If we run, we will catch the bus. So this is about the future, the near future. If we run, we will catch the bus. So this is the first conditional. And the difference between zero and first conditionals is that with the zero conditionals, we use present simple in action and in the result, while with the first conditional, we use present simple in the action and will or won't in the result. Here we have an illustration. If we don't stop using so many cars, air pollution will get worse. That is true. There is a way that you can start the if clauses or the conditionals, zero and first, and others as well, but today we're talking about these two. If you begin the sentence with the result and continue with the action, you can leave comma out. So if you say, we won't waste water if we have a shower instead of a bath, here you don't need to put a comma. Or, we will catch the bus if we run. If we run, we will catch the bus. Now we have changed places. We will catch the bus if we run. In these cases, we don't need to put commas. So, as you can see, now here we have the result and then the action. You get pink if you mix red and white. So no comma here. You get pink if you mix red and white. Here we have a short conversation between two friends, like, if I pass my math tests, my mom will be happy. If my mom is happy, she will take me shopping. Now I want you to continue and give your opinion what will happen if you will go shopping. Thank you very much for your attention.